What's up guys? And hello, welcome February. At ngayon ay may panibago na naman tayong challenge na gagawin for 7 days. Ang gagawin natin ay mag-daily exercise. Kahit gaano pa tayo kabisi sa buhay natin ay mag-workout tayo. Never skip yan. Tuloy-tuloy lang syempre. Hindi dapat ma-stop yung proseso natin kahit anumang bagay ang humadlang. Syempre ayan. Home workout lang din yung gagawin ko and medyo stop muna tayo sa ating running era. Medyo mababawasan yung ating running. Medyo magpapalakas muna din tayo sa ating strength training and our flexibility training din para mas lalong maging mabilis sa pagtakbo and mas mapaganda yung endurance natin pag tumatakbo tayo. Pag lumabas tayo in running, in outdoor. And ngayon, mag-i-indoor muna tayo sa ating mga workouts. So keep on watching guys. And yun lang, kakatapos ng exercise natin in February 1 today. At ayan ang ating itsura. Let's go na ulit sa panibagong month ng ating video. Hingal-hingal pa si ante and that's it. Let's go guys. Welcome February 1. Let's go. Hello guys. Tara po mag-push up ngayong umaga. Papawis ng onte. Let's go. Start it.
It's been the longest day. You wish you could hit erase, but you aren't lucky that way. Oh no, nobody's lucky that way. But I want you to stop where you are. I want you to hear your heart, 'cause that's how